In this video, let's talk about how to use the Letterboxd Pro filters to find where to stream. Now, the Letterboxd Pro and the Patron service as well is integrated with the Just Watch data, which lets you filter massive movies list down. So in this situation, what you need to do is first of all have the Pro or the Patron version. And once you do have this option, first of all, you need to input your streaming subscriptions. So first of all, make sure you're inside of the profile section, tap on the gear icon, which lets you to the settings, scroll down, head over to the advanced setting option, and right here make sure you scroll down again, and inside of stores and streamings you need to select the exact service that you have. Let's say you have the Amazon service, you need to first of all select the primary store, as well as tap on the secondary option and choose the secondary store as well. Once this data is saved, you can now head back and now head over to your watch list and tap on the filters option on the top right, scroll down, and then make sure you tap on the service option so that you can again select your favorite service, which is going to be Amazon in this case, if you also selected the Amazon in the settings option, and then just simply tap on the tick mark on the top right. By doing this process, you'd be able to add in filters to find where to stream. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.